you know, you build these things right, you can do anything you want with it as long as you can afford fuel.
Yeah. How's it go on the highway?
Very good. If you set the suspension right, the kingpin angle on the front end, he'll tell you, I do 75 miles an hour all day. And it's turning about 2300 RPM. And it's got a 6-speed and 456 gears, but yeah, it handles very well. We got a 700-mile trip to get home, which isn't bad. It's not bad at all.
So you drove at 700 miles here and you drove at 700 miles home, huh?
But we just came back, Vicky and I, we just went on a 2,100-mile high-ride power tour, and then the one before that was a 3,100-mile power tour. That's all-day driving, come each day, you know, 250, 300 miles a day. Yeah, you can drive these gases if you set them up right. It's even got air conditioning.
Very cool.
Thank you, sir.
How long have you had it?
I finished it right around 2019, and I had built one similar. Color-wise, it was the same. The guys had to have it, so I sold it, and then I bought a Woody's body because I got tired of chasing rust. And a little more prep work, but at least you know you got to call it solid. And it took me about 2 months and 2 years and about 2 months to build it. It's a fun hobby.
Yeah. What color is that green?
The one I can answer, do you ever see a TV show called Gears?
Yeah.
Okay, he painted a 32 Ford Roadster.
Yeah, the Stacey David Roadster.
Yeah. Well, that's the color I wanted. They would never give you all the ingredients that make it work. Never judge a book by its cover. I'm at a body shop. I got a friend in Orlando, Florida, we're from Florida, that knows the color. Okay, yeah, sure, kid. Comes back the next day and he says, here's the ingredients, but you can't tell anybody what they are. Okay, kid, sure. Got a quart of it or a pint. Son of a gun, that's the color. How this kid that I didn't know, and when he started taking the car apart at the body shop, he lasted 1 day and left. So we didn't have all the parts. This is my other one that I built, the same color. Yeah. So if I ever got to meet this guy, David Stacy, I need to shake his hand because that's a neat color.
Yeah, it is a great color.
Yeah. And my painter did an excellent job blending it and everything.
Very cool.
Thank you, sir.